subscribe to this channel. So hello guys, welcome to another vlog, Grace M Elegance. I wanted to share with you how I spent my holiday, like how I spent my weekend. I traveled, I had a very good time. And see, we've come to Naivasha for a party, and this is how the place looks like. I'm going to show you.
Uko na simu, Kenya is calling 07. We, uka.
Zima chini pia alafu chomoe.
To the trip, we are going home. Yeah, nice. These are my friends.
Yeah, man. So happy. So good.
Love traveling so much. So it's nice, you know. As you can hear from the background, people are still excited, and that's why they are making noise. Yeah, and then there are so many kids. But we are almost getting to London. I'm going to show you. The fields there, so nice. And then you see most of the vehicles that use this road, they are the big trucks. If you like this kind of content, kindly subscribe, like. That is Mount Longonot, as you can see, but there is a lot of fog on top of it. This place had rained, so that's why it's not clear, but I hope you're seeing it properly. That's Mount Longonot.
Welcome to the third edition of the Wine, Cheese and Agrofest, 16th and 17th of December. With more variety, diverse range of vendors and activities, you're in for the treat. From wine and
You
cheese,
might
unique
think
Euro
this
products
is
to
a
farm machinery and
game
equipment.
reserve or
Fun-filled
something
weekend with
because
entertainment for the entire
there is a
family.
lot of
Bring on the festive spirit.
ranches here.
Charges just 300 bob for adults and 100 bob for kids. The Wine, Cheese and Agrofest, 16th and 17th December, Zero Farm, Kitale.
And then the mountains. It feels nice to travel and have fun. Up there. Happy that I made it, or like to travel and come back, and I was so tired, but I decided I have to upload this video because I had really missed you, and I'll really try my best. Comment down below, let me know what kind of content you want me to do, because now it's Christmas season, and there is a lot of free time, you know, and time to create content, you know. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Until next time, peace. Thank you so much for watching my video, for turning on that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you're able to be notified. What I ask from you is to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, if you're a returning subscriber, you're most welcome. What I request number 2 is that you share this video, continue subscribing and spreading love with good intention. You will never know what the other person is going through, you know. I love you. See you in the next one.